Hi everyone. The Mercedes A-Class concept is the first heartbeat of a new generation whose expressive design stands for concentrated dynamism. The technical highlights of this front-wheel drive concept car include a new, turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine developing 155 kilowatts, 210 horsepower, a dual-clutch transmission and a radar-based collision warning system with adaptive brake assist. A long bonnet, low silhouette and slim window areas, the proportions of the A-Class concept stand for concentrated dynamism. Its sporty appearance is given particular depth by the interplay between lines and surfaces. The A-Class concept introduces the new Mercedes-Benz design idiom into the compact class in a sculptured, light and expressive interpretation, says Professor Gordon Wagoner, head of design at Mercedes-Benz. We use the term captured energy to express the sheer dynamism exuded by the A-Class concept. Our formal sources of inspiration were the wind and waves, as well as aviation engineering, resulting in this cool look. But it is not only visually, but also technologically that the Mercedes-Benz A-Class concept is ushering in a new compact class era at Mercedes-Benz. This front-wheel drive model is powered by a 4-cylinder petrol engine from the new M270 series. It was designed for transverse installation, and thanks to direct injection and turbocharging it offers a high-performance potential together with minimal emissions and fuel consumption. Other highlights of the all-aluminum engine include injection pressures of up to 200 bar and fast-responding piezo injectors. The A-Class concept is equipped with the 2-liter variant of the new engine, developing 155 kilowatts, 210 horsepower. This blue efficiency unit is combined with the new Mercedes-Benz dual-clutch transmission. As a 3-shaft transmission, this has 7 forward gears which are shifted automatically with no interruption in tractive power. The new transmission is therefore particularly economical, sporty and comfortable. Exterior design with defined edges and a free interplay with the body surfaces. One major characteristic of the new design idiom at Mercedes-Benz is the expressive interplay between lines and surfaces, which the designers refer to as a clean concept. Thanks to concave and convex surfaces with the resulting light modulation, this creates a unique sculpture-like presence. The A-Class concept emphatically continues this theme of defined edges and interacting surfaces, which Mercedes-Benz first showed in the F800 style. The side view is structured by 3 prominent lines. The front structural edge forms a dropping line towards the rear, while the pronounced shoulder muscle over the rear axle emphasizes the car's coupe-like character. A further line extends upwards in front of the rear wheel arch in a sweeping curve. These lines lend more depth and dynamism to the side profile. The door handles are recessed into the doors, and emerge electrically at the touch of a button. The unusual, wing-like structure of the exterior mirrors is suggestive of flow and lightness. Another prominent feature is the open side skirt, which creates an unusual light and shadow effect. Reminiscent of a turbine rotor, the large 20-inch wheels reinforce the impression that the Mercedes-Benz A-Class concept has been shaped by the wind. The front end of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class concept is a real eye-catcher. The brand logo appears to be surrounded by a starry sky. Where there are usually apertures or louvers, the radiator grille consists of numerous metallic silver dots on black stems. This theme is reflected in the design of the wheels. The visually wide rear end exudes power and athleticism, and is likewise enlivened by an interplay between convex/concave surfaces and pronounced edges. The taillight clusters continue the lines of the muscular shoulders towards the rear, emphasizing the car's width with their horizontal orientation. The aerodynamic spoiler lip in the tail lights improves efficiency, while the diffuser creates a downforce to aid road holding. Thanks for watching.